Okay. What is retirement of bill? Paying it early and getting rebate. Okay, retirement of bill and rebate. So when in the books of drawer, when we are receiving the payment, we are giving rebate. So it is an expense for us. That's why we are debiting it. So bank account will be debited, expense rebate on bills will be debited, and what will be credited? Bills receivable will be credited. Okay. Okay. Next is insolvency of the debtor. What is insolvency? Insolvency is not able to repay the debt. Not able to what? Repay the debts. Okay. So once I know my debtor has become insolvent, what I'm supposed to do is pass dishonor entry. I'm not going to receive any payment. I know that. So first I have to pass dishonor entry. When it is known that a person has become insolvent, entry for dishonor to be passed. Okay. So debtor account debit to bills receivable account. Dishonor entry. Debtor will again become my debtor and my bills receivable will get credited. Okay. So once I know my debtor has become insolvent, I'll pass dishonor entry. Next, after passing dishonor entry, if my debtor has paid any amount, suppose after selling off his properties, he is owing to us, right? If he is able to make any payment, that we will put it as in our cash or bank debit. The rest amount we'll put it as bad debts account and we'll close the debtor. See, suppose in 5,000, he's saying that he is able to pay only 40%. That is 40 paise in a rupee. He is able to pay only what?
40%.
Or 40 paise in a rupee, he is able to pay that. So in 5,000, what is 40%?
2000.
2,000, he is able to pay. The rest 3,000 is what? Bad debts. And we will close the account of 5,000 debtors in final settlement. Okay. Okay. So this is what entry for insolvency of a debtor. First, we have to, first thing is insolvent. He has become insolvent. Dishonor entry, cancel the entry, cancel the bill. He has become dishonored. See, it has become insolvent, cancel the bill or dishonor entry. Then if anything is received now, we will put it in the debtor account. Cash account debit, bad debts account debit to debtor account. Okay? Understood? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then bills for collection. See, I've told you yesterday also, when we want to keep the bills till maturity, we are giving it to the bank to keep the bills, not for discounting. So, what we'll account? Bills for collection we have given to the bank to bills receivable account. Bills sent to the bank. When amount is being realized, the entry will be bank account to bills for collection. When at maturity, this is at maturity, when we receive the amount, it will be bank account to bills for collection. When at maturity we have not received the amount now, my debtor will again become my debtor to bills for collection account. Dishonor entry. Okay.
Okay.
So this is with respect to your entries in relation to drawer books. The person who is drawing. Okay. Now in the books of acceptor, how will be the entries? We have to see that. Okay. So what we do before proceeding to, okay, we'll see bills. in the books of drawee or acceptor? Can you see the screen in the books of drawee? See, if in the books of drawee or acceptor, first thing will be purchase. First thing will be what? Purchase.
Purchase.
So what will be the entry? Purchase account, input GST to creditor account. Okay. So when I purchase, I will put the amount exclusive of GST. Input GST, when I purchase, I'm paying GST. This can be used as input GST. No, it is my asset. It is my asset. So I'm putting in debit side. Then to creditor account, I have to make the payment, liability. So purchases, input GST to creditor account. Got it? The first entry.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Second entry is I am converting my creditor to bills payable account. I am accepting the bills payable. So my creditor will be debited and my bills payable will be credited. See, can you compare? What is bills payable accepted here? Creditor to bills payable. There it is bills receivable to debtor. Okay. Now we are seeing what in the books of the drawee. Any doubt? Now after accepting the bill, the bills drawer has three options: holding till maturity, endorsement, or discounting it with the bank. Drawee has to pay the amount. Acceptor has to pay the amount. Correct? So,
Yes,
in all
ma'am.
the three options, no entry will come because it is option for the drawer only, no? Whether he wants to discount, he can discount. Whether he wants to endorse, he can endorse. Whether to hold till maturity, he can hold till maturity. In these three cases, what will the acceptor do? He has to pay endorsement on if it is endorsement also he has to pay to the creditor. If it is discounting also he has to pay to the bank. If he is holding till maturity also he has to pay to his creditor. He has to pay. Correct? So no entries will be passed. It is the option for the drawer only. On maturity date, what happens is he has to make the payment. So what he'll do, bills payable to bank account, payment. Bills payable debited to bank account. Got it? Yes. Suppose I am not paying the bills. I have dishonored it. So there will be noting charges, right? Which the debtor has paid. Sorry, which my creditor has paid. See, when we are passing dishonor entry, when we were drawer, we would collect it from our debtor. Now we are acceptor. We have not paid noting charges. So noting charges will be collected from us. Okay. So noting charges account debit, bills payable account debit to creditor account. So we have to give how much amount? Amount plus noting charges we are supposed to pay. What we are supposed to pay? Amount plus the noting charges. We are supposed to pay to the creditor. Noting charges is an expense for us. It is not expense for the creditor. It is expense for us only. He will collect from us only. Okay. Yes. Now, same story, but different point of view. We are not able to make the payment. We are acceptor, but we are not able to make the payment. So for what I'll do, cancel the old bill. Cancel what? Old bill. Bills payable to creditor account. Old bill cancelled. Okay. Interest I'm charging. I have to pay interest also. Interest is my expense. Interest to creditor account. Interest amount. Then what I'm doing? I'm creating new bill. Creditor account to cash account to bills payable account. I'm creating new bill. Creditor account. What is this to cash account? If I made some payment, part payment, 5,000 in 5,000 rupees. Suppose interest charge is 5,083. Taking our example. Okay, in that I have paid 1,000 rupees. So 4,083 rupees only bill will be created. So creditor account will be 5,083. To cash account will be 1,000. To bills amount will be 4,083. So this is renewal of bill. This is what? Renewal of bill.
Renewal of
Next is retirement of bill and rebate. I am paying early. I am getting discount. It is income or expense?
income.
Income. So bills payable to bank will be generally the entry, but I'm getting income, no? So bills payable to rebate on bills, it is income, or rebate income you can write, rebate income to bank account. So bill amount, how much rebate we have received will come here, and amount paid will come here. See how it is expense there, it is income here. Okay. See, you have to be very careful whether they ask in the books of drawer or drawing. Generally, it will be in the books of drawer only. Write the entries in the books of. See, Sangeeta has drawn a bill. Ramya has accepted the bill. So pass journal entries in the books of Sangeeta. Then you have to think what in the books of drawer, and you have to pass those entries. Okay. Don't pass in the books of Ramya. Your entire answer will go wrong. So you have to read the question very carefully. Okay. Because entry changes completely. Once debit becomes once credit. Yes. Now, insolvency of the drawee means I am becoming insolvent. I am the acceptor. I am becoming insolvent. I am not able to make the payment. First, pass dishonor entry. I became insolvent. Pass what? Dishonor entry. Bills payable to creditor account. Dishonor entry. Later, if anything I am paying, what I'll do? What I'll do? I will make the payment creditor account to bank account. The rest amount which I'm not paying, no, I'm putting to deficiency account. Amount not paid, I'm putting to deficiency account. Yes. So suppose I paid, taking the same example, 5,000, I paid 40%, which is 2,000 rupees. I'm not paid 3,000 rupees. So I'm settling 5,000 rupees. Getting my point? Yes. So this is in the books of,
Drawing.
yes, Droy. We'll read a question, first question, and try to understand it. Our goal is to understand the question, understand the flow of the sum. Okay. We may or not be able to complete the sum, but we'll understand the question. Tomorrow, or if possible, today we'll complete the sum, or tomorrow we'll complete the sum. Okay. Our aim is to what? Understand the question. First question in your material. Mr. Kabir accepted a bill for rupees 10,000. Mr. Kabir has accepted the bill. Mr. Kabir is what?
Drawing.
Droy. Droy. For rupees 10,000. Drawn on him by Mr. Samarveer. What is Mr. Samarveer? Huh?
Drawing.
Drawer. Drawer of bills receivable, of bill of exchange. Okay. Drawn on 1st August 2024 for 3 months. Okay. This was the amount which Kabir owed to Samarveer. Kabir owed to Samarveer. Kabir was the debtor for Samarveer. Samarveer was creditor for Kabir. Okay? Okay. On the same date, Mr. Samarveer got bill discounted at his bank for 9,800. On which date? 1st August. On the same date, Kabir got discounted for 9,800. So what is discounting charges?
Expense.
How much? How much amount?
9,800.
9,000. Yeah, 9,800 he got from the bank. See, he is going to the bank. Bank, you will receive the amount after 3 months. Give me now the amount. So bank is giving only 9,800. How much bank is?
2,000.
Sorry?
200. 200.
Yes, yes. 200 is discounting charges. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So 200 is discounting charges. Now, on due date, what is the due date? 3 months. 1st August 24, right? So same date. After 3 months, what will be the date? August, September, October. August, September, October, November. 1st November should be the due date. But we'll add, we had 3 days of grace. So 4th November will be the due date. Now, on due date, Kabir approached Samarveer for renewal of the bill. Kabir is coming to Samarveer for renewing the bill. Mr. Kabir agreed on the condition that rupees 2000 to be paid immediately. What what Kabir is saying? Hello? Yes. So Kabir approached Samarveer for renewal of the bill. Kabir is saying, I'll not be able to make the payment. Please renew the bill. Mr. Kabir agreed on the condition that 2000 be paid immediately along with interest on the remaining amount at 12% per annum for 3 months. So what he's saying, I'll pay you 2000 immediately. Along with interest also, I'll pay you immediately. So what he's saying, I'll pay 2000 and interest for 12% 3 months on the remaining balance. In 10,000, 2,000 is already paying immediately. What is the remaining balance? 8,000. Yes, 8,000. On the remaining 8,000, he is to pay 12% per annum 3 months. So 8,000 into 12% into 3 months, how much? What?
240.
240 rupees. He is paying interest. Okay. Now, remaining balance will accept a new bill for 3 months. How much is the remaining balance? 8,000. For 8,000 rupees, what they'll do? Accept a new bill for 3 months. Okay. See, in the question they have given, interest is also paid. 2,000 to be paid immediately along with the interest on the remaining amount. So, interest is paid. Our new bill amount is 8,000 only. Suppose interest is not paid now, we have to add interest to the new bill amount. Okay. Okay. These arrangements were carried through. On 31st December 2024, Kabir became insolvent and his estate paid 40 percentage. Kabir became what? Insolvent. So he has paid earlier 2000, no, for 8,000 rupees. He can pay only 40%. 8,000 rupees the 40% evlo. How much is 40%? 3,200 only. He will be able to make the payment. Rest amount will be bad debts. Okay. Now you understood. Now, very, very important. Prepare journal entries in the books of Samarveer. In the books of whom?
Samarveer.
Samarveer is a drawer. Yes. So we have to prepare journal entries in the books of Samarveer. Okay. Yes. Is it time for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You understood the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. With the journal entries, or if you have the journal entries, try to do on your own the sum. Okay. Now try to understand the question once again. Okay. How is the flow of the
Okay, ma'am.
question? Tomorrow with everybody together, if everybody are present, we'll do the sum. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And if possible, try to teach your friends
Okay.
whatever you have learned today. Okay. I'll
Okay.
share it through YouTube, the recording. If possible, I'll convert it into YouTube video and send it. If not possible, try to teach your friends. This is your homework. Try to teach whatever you have learned.
What's the channel name, ma'am? YouTube channel.
I'll share the link with Madam Reshma Jain.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Send the PDF, ma'am.
Yes, yes. I'll share it with Kusuma, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.